to the HydroGarden video on the LightHouse Max 1.2 metre grow tent. Here you can see we have it set up. LightHouse portable grow tents have both budget and premium options and are designed to offer the best indoor self-contained growing environment available. The LightHouse tents are very simple to assemble. They come in these handy carry cases. Once you've unpacked the grow tent, the first thing you need to do is assemble the top and the bottom halves of the framework. The steel poles in the Max tent range between 22mm and 25mm and have welded corners for added stability. The top and the bottom halves of the framework can be assembled separately and then easily clicked together. The material for the grow tent is a heavy-duty tri-layer 600 denier material, which means that no outside light will affect the plants growing on the inside. The Ultralux material is unique to LightHouse tents and is manufactured to the highest quality, non-toxic and environmentally friendly standards. It is 100% light-proof and has some of the highest reflective qualities on the market. Covering the frame with the tent fabric is simple and easy to do. You just need to unzip and spread out the material and lift the fabric over the completed framework and pull the base underneath the frame. Once the fabric is covering the frame, you can install the support bars, which features rubber ends for a strong grip. Pull the zips close to complete the frame and you can insert the waterproof spill tray with a white clean finish. Now that the tent is up, we can have a look at the finer premium features the tent has. On the inside, the tent is lined with a highly reflective liner which allows for greater disperse levels. In fact, tests show that this lining offers 30% more reflectivity than other products. The tent also features double-layered Tivag zips, making accessibility to the tent easy. The outlets for airing cables are also double-lined and feature pull toggles on each layer. Large extraction socks benefit from detachable Velcro covers to stop light when not in use. The passive vents offer a uniform distribution of airflow. They also feature an anti-mite fine mesh, as well as a light-proof cover. In addition, there are Velcro straps for securing cables and wires and door clips on all doors for fastening when open. Thank you for watching this HydroGarden video on the LightHouse Max 1.2 metre tent. For more product videos, please stay tuned to our YouTube channel.